Many voices shouting, but the truth feels old. Gold and silver fading, promises are weak, but the word of the Lord is the truth I seek. When the heat is rising and the night is long, I hear Jah calling, saying, child, be strong. They tried to bend the light, tried to change the name, but the truth of Jesus still burns the same. There's truth in the fire, burning bright and clean. Every lie falls down when the flame is seen. I'm refined, not destroyed by the heat I face. Truth in the fire, by God's saving grace. Truth in the fire, I will not run away. In the fire of His love, I will stand and stay. Through the trial and testing, through the press and pain, faith like a river flowing through the rain. They say compromise, say just let it go, but the fire reveals what the heart must know. When the smoke is clearing and the ashes fall, I see Jesus standing, Lord over all. Stone may crack and the world may shake, but the truth of the cross they can never break. There's truth in the fire, truth in the fire, bright and clean. Every lie falls down, when the flame is seen. Where is seen, I'm refined, not destroyed by the heat I face. Truth in the fire, in the fire, oh yeah, by God's saving grace. Truth in the fire, I will not run away. In the fire of His love, I will stand and stay. Oh yeah, far before me, far behind. Truth in the flame, purifying my mind. Not by power, not by might, but by the Spirit I walk in the light. Though I walk through the fire, I won't be afraid, for the Son of God in the flame has stayed. There's truth in the fire, you burning bright and clean. Every lie falls down when the flame is seen. I'm refined, not destroyed by the heat I face. Truth in the fire, by God's saving grace. So let the fire burn, let the fire burn. Let the truth be known, let the truth be known. In the heat of the flame, heat of the flame, my faith has grown, faith has grown. Truth in the fire, burn. Forever I stand. The truth you know, refined by the flame, the heat of the flame. In the Lord's own hand, faith has grown. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hallelujah.
fire burns hot. Faith don't grow till the trials unlock. Every chain breaking in Jesus' name. I'm not destroyed, I'm refined by the flame. What the fire meant to consume me, you used it to make me strong. Every lie burned away, now I know where I belong. Refined by the flame, I rise again. Purified heart, washed from sin. So the fire came, I'm still the same. Led by grace, refined by the flame. Truth remains. Truth remains. Fire may test, but love sustains. I give you praise through joy and pain. Hallelujah, refined by the flame. Yeah. 3 men stood when the furnace roared. 4th man walked with them, that's the Lord. No smell of smoke, no fear, no shame. Same God walking with me in the flame. Roots in the word, I will not bend. Kingdom soldier to the very end. Devil tried hard but lost the game. What he meant for evil, refined by the flame. I hear your voice in the fire, calling me deeper in truth. Burn away the old desires, make me new, make me new. Refined by the flame, I rise again. Washed from sin, I'm still the same. Saved by grace, refined by the flame. Truth remains. Truth remains. Fire may test, but love sustains. I give you praise through joy and pain. Hallelujah, refined by the flame. Fire can burn what God has sealed. Fire reveals what heaven healed. Fire can't steal my destiny in the flame. Christ lives in me. Not destroyed. I prove it. 'Cause you're refined by the flame. Stronger now, living testimony. Hear my vow, from ashes to praise, I proclaim Jesus my King, refined by the flame. So let the fire fall, I won't complain. Your holy work is in the flame. I lift my hands, I shout your name forever. Forever. Whoa, yeah. Flame. When the night gets heavy and the road feels long, voices of the world say I don't belong. But your word is a lamp and it burns so bright, guiding my steps through the darkest night. They tried to shake me, tried to pull me down, but I'm anchored deep on holy ground. Though the flames rise high and the storm draws near, I hear your voice saying, do not fear. Every lie melts away in your light. Every chain breaks in your sight. I'm standing in the holy fire, purified by your desire. Not consumed, I'm lifted higher by the truth of the living God. I'm standing in the holy smell of smoke, no fear inside. Your presence is my shield and guide. The fire speaks truth to my heart, burning the darkness, setting me apart. What the enemy meant for shame, you turn it into praise and flame.
What was broken now made whole.
Yeah.
Holy fire,
Cleanse my soul. I'm standing in the holy fire, purified by your desire. Not consumed, I'm lifted higher by the truth of the living God. I'm standing in the holy fire. Faith refine my soul, inspire.
Jesus, you are my defender.
I will stand and never fall. Let it burn,
Let it burn,
let it burn.
let it burn in me.
Fire of truth set my spirit free. Burn the pride, burn the fear. Only you, Lord, I want near. Let it burn till the world can see Christ alive,
Christ alive,
reigning in me. I'm standing in the holy fire, purified by your desire,
not consumed, I'm lifted higher.
by the truth of the living God. So I stand, yes I stand, in the fire of your love, rooted firm, unashamed, by the power from above. Yeah.
Standing in the holy fire,
Standing in the holy fire, yeah. Oh, da 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 da. Oh, da 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 da. Oh, da 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 da. Oh, da 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 da. Oh, oh, in the valley where the shadows fall, I heard a whisper and a louder call. World full of noise, full of disguise, but the flame of Jah opened up my eyes. Tears in my prayers, knees on the ground. When the fire come, no light can be found. Trials like heat burning through the night, still his words stand firm in the fight. Gold don't shine till it bears the flame.
faith gets stronger when tested in pain.
What was hidden now coming to light.
In the heat of the fire,
Truth arise. When the fire speaks truth, I will not run. Standing in the light of the Holy One, let it burn away fear and lies. When the fire speaks truth, my soul
when the fire
survives.
speaks truth,
My soul survives.
when the fire speaks truth,
My soul survives.
when the fire speaks truth.
Oh, when the fire speaks truth, I stand my ground. Roots in the word, I will not bow down. Through the heat, through the pain, I choose you. When the fire speaks truth, you pull me through, yeah. Walking through flames like Shadrach's way.
Not alone, Jah with me every day.
Smoke in the air, but my face still clear.
In the fire I hear him say,
Do not fear, fall. When the truth of the fire answer the call, yeah.
No compromise,
No,
no turning back.
I follow the light on the righteous track. Fire reveal what the heart conceal.
What is fake can never be real.
In the blaze, my vision is right.
Truth stand tall in the firelight.
Yeah, when the fire speaks truth, I will not run. Standing in the light of the Holy One, let it burn away fear and lies. When the fire speaks truth, my soul
When the fire
survives.
speaks truth,
My soul survives.
when the fire speaks truth,
My soul survives.
when the fire speaks truth.
Oh, when the fire speaks truth, I stand my ground. Roots in the word, I will not bow down. Through the heat, through the pain, I choose you. When the fire speaks truth, you pull me through, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Fire talk and the truth written.
Your word never fail.
Oh, though the flame get hot, I'm lifted high.
His promise prevail.
Burn away the pride, burn away the sin. Let your holy fire cleanse within. Oh, when the fire speaks truth, I will not run. Covered by grace of the Holy One. From the ashes, new life rise. When the fire speaks truth, I testify. Hear my song through every trial. You make me strong.
In the fire
Till the end of days, I live for you. When the fire speaks truth, you pull me through, yo. Let the fire talk, yeah. Let the truth reign, oh. Refined by love, refined by flame. When the fire speaks truth, yeah. Hey. Oh, 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 yeah. Cat fire, cat fire. We rise through the trials, we rise through the flame, tested but not burned. Oh no, not burned. I walk through the fire, the flames all around, try to bring me down, try to steal my crown, but I keep my eyes on the Lord above. He is my refuge, He is my love, tested but not burned. Jah kept me safe through the raging fire. He held me in grace. Every trial, every storm I have learned, I'm tested but not burned. I'm tested but not burned. When the night was darkest and my faith was low, I felt the fire, but His light still glows. Purified in the furnace, like gold in His hand, I stand victorious by His command. Tested but not burned, Jah kept me safe through the raging fire. He held me in grace. Every trial, every storm I have learned, I'm tested but not burned. I'm tested but not burned. Oh, fire may try to consume me, soul. In the morning I hear your voice. Through the trials you give me choice. Truth of your word, it lights the way, guiding my steps every day. Through the fire, through the storm, your word keep me safe and warm. Even when the night is long, I sing your praises in this song. Fire of the word, it burning on me soul. Set me free, make me whole. Light up the darkness, shine your light. Fire of the word, Jah, ignite. Whoa. Every lie, every chain it fall. Your words stand firm above them all. Holy Spirit, come and lead. Plant your word like a mighty seed. When I stumble, when I fear, your fire whispers, I'm right here. Lift me up, make me strong. In your word I belong. Fire of the word, it burning on my soul. Set me free, make me whole. Light up the darkness, shine your light. Fire of the word, Jah, ignite. Oh, oh, fire, fire, set me higher. Burn away the doubt, the pain, the liar. Your word is truth, it cannot fail. Through every trial, I shall prevail. Oh, fire of the word, it burning on my soul. Set me free, make me whole. Light up the darkness, shine your light. Fire of the word, Jah, ignite. Whoa. Yeah, fire of the word. the fire, Jah love, Jah light. Oh, 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 oh. Truth that cannot burn away. In the midst of the storm, I feel your hand. Through the fire and trials, you help me stand. Every lie that the world tried to say will fade. Your truth remains, truth that cannot burn away. Oh,
Light of Jah will guide my way.
through the fire, through the pain,
Your word remain. Your word remain. Truth that cannot burn away.
chains may break, but your love stays strong. Even in the night, I hear your song. Mountains may shake, but I will not fall. Your truth is my shield, you answer my call. Oh, truth that cannot burn away. Oh,
Light of Jah will guide my way.
through the fire, through the pain,
Your word remain. Your word
remain. Truth that cannot burn away. Oh, Jah, you are the fire that refined me. You are the truth that set me free. No storm, no trial, no dark night can hide your love, your perfect light. Truth that cannot burn away. Oh,
Light of Jah will guide my way.
through the fire, through the pain,
Your word remain. Your word remain.
truth that cannot burn away. Truth that cannot burn Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Through the fire, I believe. Yeah.
Through the fire I believe. Through the fire I receive.
Oh, I've walked through valleys low, yeah, felt the heat of trials strong. But your light, it never left me, Lord. You keep me holding on. When the storms are raging high and the night is long and cold, I hear your voice saying, child, don't fear. Your truth will make me bold. Through the fire, I believe. Through the flames, you set me free. No trial can take away the love that guides me every day. Through the fire, I believe. Through the storm, I still receive. Your promise never fails. Your mercy always prevails. Oh, yeah. Every chain that tried to bind me, every lie that came my way, pain, through the storm, through the rain. But your light, it never fade. Your word, Lord, is my blade. Every trial, every test, bring me closer, I'm blessed. In the fire, see your proof, oh Jesus.
Holy fire, holy truth.
Holy fire, holy truth.
Holy fire, holy truth.
Burning in my heart, yeah, you know it's you. Refine me, Lord, make me brand new. Holy fire, holy truth.
Holy fire, holy truth.
Yeah, guide me through.
Guide me through.
Temptations come, they try to bind. But your spirit, Lord, set me free in mind. Like gold in the flame, I shine. Your love in my heart, eternal sign. Yeah. Every chain, every lie falls away when you rise. I'm alive, I've been renewed by your holy fire.
Holy truth.
Fire of heaven, fall on me. Burn away all that I can't see. Make me pure, make me strong. In your truth, Lord, I belong. Holy fire, holy truth.
Holy fire, holy truth.
Burning in my heart, yeah, you know it's you. Refine me, Lord, make me brand new. Holy fire, holy truth.
Holy fire, holy truth.
Yeah, guide me through.
Guide me through.
Holy fire, holy truth.
Holy fire, holy truth.
Forever I'll sing, I'll worship you.
Through the fire I've been proved.
Through the fire I've been proved.
Holy fire, holy.
Holy truth.
Guide me through.
Yeah, yeah. Roots in the fire. Yeah. We're standing strong, oh Lord. Your fire refine me, refine me. Through the storm and through the rain, I feel your spirit breaking every chain. Trials come, but I will not fall. Your love is the anchor through it all. In the fire, my roots grow deep.
Faith in Jah.
I promise I keep.
Every flame.
Only makes me strong.
Lead me, Lord,
Where I belong. Oh, roots in the fire, standing unshaken. Truth of your word, my heart awaken. Burning trials, bringing revelation. Roots in the fire, firm foundation. Yeah, yeah. Ashes fall, but life arise. Your light is brighter than the darkest skies. Through the fire, your glory I see. Every trial bringing victory. Jah keep me close.
Jah keep me close.
Jah guide my way.
Jah guide my way.
I won't be moved.
I won't be moved.
I won't betray.
I won't betray.
fire, firm foundation. Roots in the fire, standing unshaken. Roots in the fire, never forsaken. Burning trials, bringing revelation. Roots in the fire, firm foundation. Oh, roots in the fire.
Jah fire burn, oh. Light the way, guide my soul. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The flame of righteousness lights up my heart. Burn away the darkness. Set me apart in the fire of your love. I will stand tall. Flame of righteousness, consume it all. Through the trials and the storm, I will not fall. Jah fire in my soul, He's breaking every wall. Temptation tried to bind me, but your light breaks free. In the fire of your presence, I find victory. Oh, I feel the heat, but it makes me strong. Refined in your fire, where I belong. Flame of righteousness, light up my heart. Burn away the darkness, set me apart. In the fire of your love, I will stand tall. Flame of righteousness, consume it all. Every lie that surrounds, Jah truth will shine. Every fear that I face, your love is mine. No chains can hold me, no shadow can hide. Flame of righteousness, you are by my side. Holy fire, fall on me. Purify my soul, set me free. From the ashes, I will rise. With your light, I'll touch the sky. Flame of righteousness, light up my heart. Burn away the darkness, set me apart. In the fire of your love, I will stand tall. Flame of righteousness, consume it all. Jah flame, burn, burn in me. Make me righteous, make me free. Flame of love, eternal light. Guide my steps through the night. Oh. Fire of Jah, come purify, burn the light, let the truth arise. In the night when the shadows fall, deception try to stand tall, but Jah's light it shine through all. Every falsehood off it crawl, chains of doubt can't hold me down. Burning lies just hit the ground. I feel the spirit all around, revealing truth. Yeah, burning light, never put my faith to rest. Through the flame I see His best. His word a sword, I'm truly blessed. No more fear, no more disguise. The fire open up my eyes. From the ashes I will rise, revealing truth, no compromise. And truth, truth, oh Jah reveal.
Fire, fire, fire,
Purify and heal it.
ever right.
Yeah, it must go. Only His light will brightly show. Revealing truth, Jah fire cleanse my heart, my youth. Rising up in His love I move. Burning light, revealing truth, yeah.
Burning light,
Revealing truth, Jah fire cleanse my heart, my youth. Rising up in His love I move. Burning light, revealing truth. Burning,
burning, burning.
fire of light
Jah truth guide me
through the night.
through the night.
Revealing truth,
Oh, shining bright.
burning, burning,
Burning, burning.
fire of light
Jah truth guide me
through the night.
through the night.
Revealing truth,
Oh, shining bright.
Yeah. Jah Jah, we stand strong.
Through the fire, we sing our song.
Hey,
Fire tried faith, but we overcome.
praise His name, the victory's won.
Oh,
Hey, I walk through the valley, trials all around. The fire burned hot, but I stood my ground. Tested in the flame, my heart held tight. God's light guided me through the darkest night. Yeah. Fire tried faith,
tried faith.
but it could not burn me.
Truth in my heart, time just lies on me.
Fire tried faith, but my soul won't fail.
Through every storm, just grace prevails.
Yeah.
La 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 la.
Just grace prevails.
La 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 la.
The world may shake, the enemy may roar, but my faith is rooted. I'm anchored to the Lord. Refined like gold, I rise from the pain. Through the fire, His power I gain. Yeah. Fire tried faith,
Tried faith.
but it could not burn me.
Truth in my heart, just love has earned me.
Fire tried faith, but my soul won't fail.
Through every storm, just grace prevails.
Yeah. Just grace prevails. Yeah, no weapon, no flame, no trial of the night can take from me the Lord's holy light. I'm standing firm, in Zion I stay. Just love is my shield, my hope, my way. Fire tried faith, but it could not burn me.
Truth in my heart, just love has earned me.
Fire tried faith, but my soul won't fail.
Through every storm, just grace prevails.
Yeah. To the fire, we still stand. Praise His name, lifted by His hand.
Jah fire, Jah light, Jah love, Jah mind. Through the trials, through the night, yeah, yeah, the truth still stands. In the storm, in the rain, in the struggle and pain, I feel the fire, but I know Jah's name. Temptation come and the world try to deceive, but His word is power, and in Him I believe. Through the fire, through the flame, through the battle, through the rain, no matter what, I'm in His hands. I lift my eyes, 'cause the truth still stands. Yes, the truth still stands. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I lift my eyes, 'cause the truth still stands. Lies and darkness try to cover my way, but Jah light shine bright, never fade away. I walk by faith, I don't walk by sight. His truth guide me morning, noon and night. Fire can test me, trials can press me, but I know the truth can't be broken. No, no, chains may hold, storms may roll, but His love make me free, make me whole. Through the fire, through the flame, through the battle, through the rain, no matter what, I'm in His hands. I lift my eyes, 'cause the truth still stands. Yes, the truth still stands. Oh yeah, yeah. I lift my eyes, 'cause the truth still stands. Jah fire, Jah light, Jah love, Jah might. Through the trials, through the night, yeah, yeah, the truth still stands. Oh, oh, oh. In the valley where the shadows fall, I heard a whisper then a louder call. World full of noise, full of disguise, but the flame of Jah opened up my eyes. Tears in my prayers, knees on the ground. When the fire come, no light can be found. Trials like heat burning through the night, still His word stand firm in the fight. Gold don't shine till it bears the flame.
Faith is stronger when tested in pain.
What was hidden now coming to light,
In the heat of the fire,
truth arise. When the fire speaks truth, I will not run. Standing in the light of the Holy One, let it burn away fear and lies. When the fire speaks truth, my soul
when the fire
survives.
speaks truth,
My soul survives.
when the fire speaks truth,
My soul survives.
when the fire speaks truth.
Oh, when the fire speaks truth, I stand my ground. Roots in the word, I will not bow down.
fire speaks truth, you pull me through, yeah. Walking through flames like Shadrach's way.
Not alone, Jah with me every day.
Smoke in the air, but my face still clear.
In the fire I hear him say,
Do not fear,
chains start breaking,
strongholds fall.
walls fall.
When the truth of the fire answer the call, yeah.
No compromise,
No,
no turning back.
I follow the light on the righteous track. Fire reveal what the heart conceal.
What is fake can never be real.
In the blaze, my vision is right.
Truth stand tall in the firelight.
Yeah, when the fire speaks truth, I will not run. Standing in the light of the Holy One, let it burn away fear and lies. When the fire speaks truth, my soul
When the fire
survives.
speaks true,
My soul survives.
when the fire speaks true,
My soul survives.
when the fire speaks true.
Oh, when the fire speaks truth, I stand my ground. Roots in the word, I will not bow down. Through the heat, through the pain, I choose you. When the fire speaks truth, you pull me through, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Fire talk and the truth written.
Jah word never fail.
Oh, though the flame get hot, I'm lifted high.
His promise prevail.
Burn away the pride, burn away the sin. Let your holy fire cleanse within. Oh, when the fire speaks truth, I will not run. Covered by grace of the Holy One. From the ashes, new life rise. When the fire speaks truth, I testify. Hear my song through every trial. You make me strong.
And the fire
Till the end of days, I live for you. When the fire speaks truth, you pull me through, yeah. Let the fire talk, yeah. Let the truth reign, oh. Refined by love, refined by flame. And the fire speaks truth, yeah. of the world say I don't belong, but your word is a lamp and it burns so bright, guiding my steps through the darkest night. They tried to shake me, tried to pull me down, but I'm anchored deep on holy ground. Though the flames rise high and the storm draws near, I hear your voice saying, do not fear. Every lie melts away in your light. Every chain breaks in your sight. I'm standing in the holy fire, purified by your desire. Not consumed, I'm lifted higher by the truth of the living God. I'm standing in the holy fire. Faith refined, my soul inspired.
Jesus, you are my defender.
I will stand and never fall. Oh, oh, no, no, no. Like the tree in the furnace long ago, you are with me wherever I go. No smell of smoke, no fear inside. Your presence is my shield and guide. The fire speaks truth to my heart, burning the darkness, setting me apart. What the enemy meant for shame, you turn it into praise and flame.
What was broken now made whole.
Yeah,
Holy fire,
cleanse my soul. I'm standing in the holy fire, purified by your desire. Not consumed, I'm lifted higher by the truth of the living God. I'm standing in the holy fire. Faith refined, my soul inspired.
Jesus, you are my defender.
I will stand and never fall. Let it burn,
Let it burn,
let it burn.
let it burn in me.
Fire of truth set my spirit free. Burn the pride, burn the fear. Only you, Lord, I want near. Let it burn till the world can see Christ alive,
Christ alive,
reigning in me. I'm standing in the holy fire, purified by your desire.
not consumed, I'm lifted higher.
By the truth of the living God. So I stand, yes I stand, in the fire of your love, rooted firm, unashamed, by the power